die. Something beginning with T.
Tornado.
No.
A tornado?
Hopefully not.
Oh, a table.
No.
A telescope.
Yes. So today is a craft day and we are going to be making telescopes for the kids to do I Spy with. So all you need is you can use a cardboard tube or you can get some paper. And all you need to do first off is roll the paper.
Roll the paper.
Roll the paper. So you get a tube. Then you need some sellotape, sticky tape. And you're gonna stick it along the edge. So, do you need sellotape?
Can I have sellotape, please?
Yes, you can.
Oh, thank you.
You've got
Yep, I have
you got your sellotape. I'll get mine. There we go. Oh, yours is a very thick, wide telescope.
To see very far.
And you got yours?
Yes.
Yes. And then all you need to do is, you can do it before or you can do it once you've stuck it all together, is decorate your telescope. So you can use markers, they could paint, they could use colored card, you could glue sequins, or you can make it very shiny with tinfoil. So I think now we are going to decorate our telescopes. Yes?
Can I have
That's what
Tinfoil.
tinfoil?
Yes, you can have tinfoil.
Can I also have shiny tinfoil?
You can have all the shiny tinfoil you want. I think I will use some markers.
Can't see.
Oh, well, you need to be able to see out of both ends.
Okay. I'm going to cut.
It would help. Yes, you need the scissors to cut. Would you like scissors?
I'm cutting with my fingers.
Oh, okay.
Much better. Hey! Looks cool.
Very cool.
I see a Ben.
Oh.
I spy something with my little eye that begins with R.
Robot.
No.
Recorder.
No.
Rachel.
Yes.
Yes. And that way all the kids can have fun using their own telescopes for I Spy.
Markers.
And you can also use the markers on the tinfoil so they can have a lot of fun decorating it in their own unique way. So have fun with your arts and crafts. See you next time.
Bye.